Google Chrome helps you to save your passwords for different services so that it's easier for you to access the services later on very easily. So in order to show you an example, I'm going to go to canva.com, which is a very good designing online-based software, and I have a lesson for it on my channel as well. You can access it via YouTube. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and click on login just like this. So what I can do now is type in my email address right here, tutubechannel@gmail.com, and then I can go around and type in my password. So I'm just going to go around and type in my password right here, and then I'm going to click on login. So it says the password entered is incorrect, so let me just try that again right here. So I'm just going to go around and type in my password, and then I'm going to click on login. Let's see if this is a correct one, and yes, that is the correct one. So once I logged in, you can see that it says save password or not. So if I want to save the password, or if I want to never save the password for this website, I can choose never. So I'm going to go and click on save, and what happens is that it'll save the password for this website. So next time when I log in, I do not need to enter the password manually. So I'm going to log out of this website now, and you can see that this is what we have, and you can see that as I come up over here, there you go. So it says sign into Canva with Google as well. So that is another service right here. But here you can see that it says my channel is here, and my email address is here, and my password is here already entered. Let's just go again right here onto canva.com. And then what happens is that once I click on login, you can see that my email and my password is already there. So all I need to do is click on login, and it'll be logged in. And that is how you can use the save password option for different websites so that you don't have to enter them manually as you go. And this is something that is recommended for your personal computer only and not for public computers, because your password might be unsecure if you were to do that, and other people might access your data. So that is how you can use the save password option inside of Google Chrome. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.